Hello my loves. Hey, how are we? How are you this week? Hi, how are we? It's Monday today and I'm filming this video Monday. I think it's probably gonna go on Thursday. So hi, how is your week? Right, so we are back and we're back with some kind of a educational video today. Why? Because I recently have done so many cut creases, just myself. I uploaded a video last week, half cut crease makeup look, and you know what? I was the one who always been scared of cut crease. Like, my eyes are hooded. Well, I think it is hooded, but I always been afraid of cut crease because it looked so difficult to do. And do you know what? I start practicing more and more and more, and the more I practiced, the more it went perfect. So, and I found the best, I think the best tools and products to do a lovely cut crease. My highlight's lovely. Yes, so I hope this is gonna help you. I hope this is gonna make you feel a bit more confident. It made me a bit confident, but let's see how it's gonna turn out. Anyways, it could be really wrong. It could turn out bad, but I hope not. I have things that it helped me to do it, and I hope it's gonna help you to achieve a good cut crease, or makes you start doing a cut crease. So what I'm gonna use today is, I have 4 things that I think is gonna work the best. Well, it's 3 actually, 2 actually the best. So I'm gonna use the small flat brush. This is Morphe from Sweet Oasis palette, Sweet Oasis collection, and I've done with this last time, and it gave me the most amazing control over it, because it's stiff and it's small, so you don't have to rush it, and you can just, you know, little bit by bit. And for the base, for a cut crease base, I am using Jouer Cosmetics Concealer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer in shade Snow. It's actually white, like literally white. Well, not literally white, but it's very, very, very light. That's why I don't use under my eyes, because it's so light. And do you know what? It works wonders with a cut crease. And for a base, I'm gonna use, as usual, my Painterly Pot from MAC. It looks like that. It's quite dark, but it covers your eyelids pretty well. And I'm gonna use as an eyeshadow palette Miss Nikki Tutorials, because it's so pigmented, and you're gonna see it. Well, you've seen it before, but it's very, very pigmented. So I think the best cut crease comes from a very pigmented eyeshadows. That nice base for eyeshadows. So, okay, let's not wait and start with the base. So I'm just gonna apply my Painterly Pot on my eyelid. Lids. And I'm using the magnifier mirror on it, because I think that's really good if you want to do a lovely cut crease, so you can see more clearly what's happening on your eyelids. Okay, right, so I'm gonna grab a blending brush, and I'm gonna go with a basic Truth. I'm gonna just do a little, like, basic base for the eye. Just gonna apply a little bit, like, set the tone for it. You can go as light as you want, you can go as dark as you want in your with your eyeshadow. I don't think that matters, especially when you're actually just practicing. And that's why I think it's good. Like when you're practicing, just go lightly first. So I'm using a little bit of Zoma and sing still a basic truth. You know, it's like go with a light shadow. Like don't go all full blown black shadow, because I don't think that's gonna help you with the control. But if you want to, of course you can. If you're practicing and you're not gonna go anywhere, why not? I'm adding now a little bit of a darker color, so I'm adding a bit of 5 a.m. on that crease. So I'm just gonna deepen up that crease. I'm gonna grab a little bit more fluffy brush for this. It's okay if you're gonna go over on your lid. There's nothing wrong with that. And don't worry if it's not perfect at the moment. We're gonna go with a fluffier brush and we're gonna blend everything together. It looks a bit crazy right now, but trust me, I think it's gonna be good. And result is gonna be good. So I'm gonna grab a big fluffy brush now and I'm just gonna go over this eyeshadow just to blend everything together. Okay, right. It does look crazy, I know. Right, so I'm gonna grab my Jouer concealer and just tap on my arm. Nothing too crazy. With the first line, you not wanna go crazy. So I just grab a little bit of on the brush and just start carving out. Do you see? I am carving out. You can go as high as you want or as low as you want. I know it says you have to blink and just see how it goes, but we are not there yet. So just bear with me here with this. So you see there is like no eyeshadow here between the carving and not. That's okay. That's fine. We're gonna put some shadow there. So you just go little bit by little bit. So, you know, nothing too major. Yeah. And this brush allows you to go as high as you want, as low as you want. You just steady. It makes you go steady. That's how I find it. practice a little bit more, but it's so easy, you guys. It's so easy. If you need more, if you want a little bit more, you can add a little bit more concealer. Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Like just a little bit by little bit. The more concealer you add, the sharper the line is gonna be. So you have to just see how it goes for you. Right, okay, so now you can add a color, or you can add glitter. I'm gonna add a pink glitter. Like in a corner. Yep, pink glitter in a corner. Quite a bit of a fallout, but never mind. This looks cute, I think. And let's add some blue glitter. Oh, crikey. That is a lot of glitter. In the middle. Shall we? I definitely should have wetted my brush, but do you know what? I honestly don't care. Right, so we added a blue glitter, and now I'm gonna just lightly deepen up this bit out of corner of the eye. And here we have it. Here we have it, guys. So here we have it. Lovely cut crease. Now I'm gonna go and add a little bit under the eye color. You can add as dark as you want, as much as you want. It doesn't really matter. Add a lashes. Eyeliner. I am gonna add, look, this is gorgeous, isn't it? I'm gonna add some mascara. This is pretty, and I think you'll agree with me. There's loads of fallouts on under my eyes, so I'm kind of some with he. But do you know what? I didn't wet my brush, so that's what you get. that is it. That's how simple this is. That's how simple. All you need is a nice little flat brush, very light concealer with a good coverage. Yes, 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 good coverage is always helps. Eye base and a good pigment shadow. That's it. That's all you need. And mascara and whatever you prefer, lashes, no lashes, whatever. I like when I do my cut crease, I like to just not to have anything else, because I think cut crease stands out itself. So I'm kind of like, I'm happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it's been informative for you. I hope you're having a lovely week, and I hope you're all well. And tell me if you like it, tell me if you didn't like it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. I answer to all of the comments, well, most of the comments. I'm trying to. So yeah, have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.